So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss regarding illustration number 14, 15 and 16 from B.B.Dam book, unit number 1, partnership fundamentals. So here in illustration number 14, in this case it is said that when drawings are made of equal amounts and is withdrawn during 6 months at the beginning of each month. So here drawings is made during 6 months. There are 12 months in a year. So in an accounting year, the period starts from either from April till March or from January to December. So here it has been considered from April to March. So it is said that drawings is made during 6 months. So the first 6 months or the last 6 months. So the first 6 months, that is from April till September. April, May, June, July, August, September. So 6 months is considered. So here drawings has been made during 6 months. During this 6 months at the beginning of each month. So every month the partner is withdrawing. And at the beginning. So the first withdrawn is on 1st of April, that is first drawings. And the last drawing will be on 1st September. So from April till September, the number of months is 6. And the month for the month of September, that is time left after last drawings, will be 1 month. It is a calculation of 6 months time period. So the average period is taken out, that is 3.5 months. So the sum is very simple. You have to calculate the total drawings, where 3000 per month is the amount of drawings, for 6 months. The first 6 months is considered. So 3000 into 6, it is 18,000. So when you solve it, you will get this result. 630. So hope you have understood this. Let us go to illustration number 15. So here you see in the in illustration number 15 case, drawings of equal amounts are made and is withdrawn during 6 months at the middle of each month. Middle of each month. So average period will be time left after first drawings. So here first drawings will be made on 15th of April. Yes or no? And last drawings on 15th of September. So what is the time left during this 6 months? Starting from 15th of April, it's 5.5 months. And starting from 15th September, it is 0.5 months. Till 30 September. So average you get 3 months. So the sum is simple. You have to calculate the total drawings. Then you have to take out the interest on drawings. Got it? Now you come to the next case, when drawings are made of equal amounts during 6 months. And the drawings are withdrawn at the end of each month. So April to September time period is considered. The first drawing will be made on 30 April. Last drawing will be made on 30 September. So time period will be 5 months plus 0 months. The 6 months time period is considered. So average is 2.5 months. So here you see interest on drawings is calculated in illustration number 16. Total drawings is to be taken out, and here it is said that during the last 6 months of the year 2021 the drawings are made. So starting from October, October, November, December, January, February, March, the drawings is made. And this is the period of drawings. So interest on drawings is calculated, which is rupees 450. Hope you have understood. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, okay, you can mention in the comment section. Thank you for today.